Here it comes. There it is. Let's see what we got here. What do y'all think it is? It's a big one. It's for that truck. Gosh dang it. My garage is such a mess. Gotta spend some more time on this thing. I don't have time to do anything with it today. I just want to show you guys what it is that I just got in the mail. Can y'all guess? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. That's a beautiful fuel rail. Black anodized. Set up for full-size injectors. Should be a gigantic, oh yeah, 90mm throttle body. Oh wow. I don't know how well you can see in the video. And it's still plastic wrapped, so it's hard to tell, but holy moly, the quality of these things. Look at the quality of these welds. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. They chamfered all of the injector bungs correctly. No sharp edges. Wow. If you're not familiar and you don't know what this is an intake manifold made by the very well-known Plasma Man company. They make a lot of very high performance parts for different vehicles. They're very well known for their intake manifolds. They're tested to, I think, 200 PSI burst strength or something along those lines. They're all TIG welded, machined. Let me take this out and show you the inside of it. All of the CNC cut flanges, perfectly straight and smooth. If you notice, there's a groove around each individual port. They're set up to use O-rings instead of the OEM gasket. You can also use the OEM gasket, is what I was told by them. Wow. Wow, this thing is done so well. Look how smooth all of the transitions are. There's no weird lips. Wow. I am really impressed with the quality of this thing. I've seen a lot of intake manifolds in my time, a lot of custom work for a lot of different sports cars, of imports, domestics, but this thing takes the cake. There's all of the vacuum ports for various sensors, hoses. It's on the bottom of the intake manifold. You can get it on top or on bottom. I like that it's on the bottom so that you don't see any of the fittings. Keeps the top side looking nice and clean. Let's take a look at the inside. Wow. Look at the bell mouths on each of those. Essentially, they're velocity stacks going down into each port. And you can tell you start larger at the front of the plenum and it gets smaller towards the back. That keeps the airflow as even as possible between all 6 runners and 6 cylinders. You can tell you've got equal length runners on every single one as well. I'm pretty impressed. This is not going to go on the vehicle for quite some time because we've got a lot of work to do. But if you haven't guessed by this time in the video, I think we're going to go turbo on this thing. And a standalone ECU, Haltech 2500 to be specific. So I've got a lot of work cut out for me. It is going to be quite an adventure. I've turboed a lot of different vehicles over the years, but man, the 1FZ is just my favorite motor. It is big and it's easy to make power. All right, I'm gonna box this thing up. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and hit that bell icon right next to it. That way you're notified when I upload new videos. As we continue building this thing out, this is going to be a fun truck if I ever get around to finishing it. there's the cylinder head. I gotta disassemble it today and get it off to the machine shop. Man, this is gonna be exciting. I'm excited. Are y'all excited? Love y'all. See you next time.